Hello Afro Tribe, it's another time to do another analysis again. It's the weekend and then we are going to do another analysis and look into the possible setup that is coming into the new week. So we are looking at XAUUSD. Hey, what did I say? We are looking at XAUUSD. Yeah, that is gold. Yeah, that's what we're looking at right now. Currently we're on the daily time frame, which is where we always start from, right? And if you can see this square that I have here, this is because this square is there and it's actually a demand area, like a very key demand area on the daily, right? And price has tapped into that demand area, and then there's a little bit of a reaction going on, right? So we come to break this down and see, is this going to be a reversal for gold, which will then make gold pump up, or it's just going to be an inducement or something like that? We'll find out more when we go to the lower time frames, and then as we continue to break down the chart. So this is a daily, right? And price has tapped into a very key zone here. Okay, price is down, right? Price is down, and then it has tapped here, and then it looks like it wants to reverse. But let's zoom in closer and see what is really going on, right? If it's going to reverse, first of all, it will have to target this other block that we have here, right, on the daily. So that is the first place that I am actually eyeing, right? After there, then we can look at this second one, but for the meantime we're focusing on this first one, right? And since the daily order block on Thursday it closed bullish, Friday it closed as a doji, right? So yeah, let's actually go to the 4 hour and then find out more, right? Okay, so into the 4 hour time frame, we realize that there is now a break of structure, an order block actually at this point, right? It's actually an order block here. Yes, there's actually an order block here. Let me just mark it as a key level on the 4 hour, and then this daily order block, we can actually kind of refine it into this candle, right? So this becomes it, right? So right now we're expecting that wherever price is at the moment, price should move up into this order block before we see a sell again or a push to the upside, right? So right now our range that we are looking at is this and this. That is a range we're looking at. So let me just go ahead and lock this one also, right? So basically this is all what we have from here to focus on, right? We go into the 1 hour just real quick and just see what is going on the 1 hour. We should be able to get some more clarity on the 1 hour. So here on the 1 hour we can see that yes, we had this break of structure, right, which therefore is a change of character actually, because we were going down and then price moved up, it came down and was not able to break this last low that we have here, you see. So it's this actually this actually a failed swing, right? And then they went up to break structure, right? So that becomes a change of character. Final demand area, that is going to be this, right? It's still within the 4 hour zone though. Alright, so let me just mark this as a demand area. Now be expecting price to come back, right? Be expecting price to really come back into this zone. Now looking at what we have here, this is a demand, and then these are for our key area or for other block, which was actually from the daily, right? Looking at the structure that we are having now, price came. So this is a leg from down here to up here. It's one leg, and then price consolidated, right, before the market closed. But looking at it so much, I can see this also. Now this is also another block. This here, this right here is another block, right? It is another block, and I'm expecting price to come down to it and then react, right, before we have a drop into the one that will go down. Let me just mark it as a support and resistance zone, right? Yes, so I'm expecting that price will actually move from this side. Maybe when the market closes, maybe the market opens, it may try and then come down like this, pick this and then move up close to this other block or into the other block before it will then come down into this demand area, right? And then there will be a push from that demand area upwards, right? There'll be a push from this demand area upwards to break this or into this, right? Right now, because the structure is not very complete, we can't really pinpoint exactly what is going to happen when price gets actually here for this place. for here it's a strong demand area because there's a change of character there, so definitely price is going to react from here and buy. But when it buy, whether it's going to buy to clear this or it's going to buy and then this is going to be a stumbling block for it to reverse, we don't really know, because actually the main trend from the daily is bearish trend, right? And this is just a pullback that is happening. So whether if the trend will continue to be bearish or it will change to be a bullish trend will all depend on what price will do when it reaches this level here, right? So for the meantime, let's just focus on what is happening currently. So that's what is happening. So we are not going to be expecting price to move back into this, right, and then go up. So for this, if you want to take it buy, which I will actually be looking for it to see whether I'll buy or not. If you're looking for it to take a buy, it will be from this zone here, then stop loss below, right, below this zone, and then take profit can be here. Now let me go and see this place. Let's see. Okay, so there is actually a fair value gap here, so I will be trusting more of that fair value gap to put my TP there, right? Because fair value gaps are actually also powerful and they can reverse price, right? So I'll position like this and then let my TP go into the middle of this fair value gap. Yeah, so this is basically what I'm going to be looking forward to when gold opens, right? So this can actually happen during the Asian session or something, or maybe into the London section. We have to see, but this is the minor structure, right? But the main level, or the main level that I'm really looking at, and I'm really looking at, is this area here, right? This area over here, and then other block, stop loss coming below the other block, and then based on the high that we are going to get out of this trade, then we can know whether if we're to position this one, right? So if everything should go according to the way I'm planning and it comes into this other block before it reverses down to the demand area, then this TP will be somewhere into this demand area, supply area, or no, the other block actually, which is going to be like a supply order block. So these are two setups that are possible on gold. Yeah, these are two possible setups on gold. So first of all, I have to see what will happen when price gets here first. If price gives us the confirmation that we need that it will go bullish, then we take the buy into that supply what's it called, FVG, and then the FVG will definitely push price down, or price may break into this other block before it comes down. But definitely what I know for sure is that price will definitely have to come down and use this demand area and then push up. So this is all what I have for gold. Now once the days go by in the week, I'll also let you know. I'll bring you more updates on how the structure is going and all that. This is Afro Trader. In case you want me to break any other pairs, feel free to let me know in the comment section. Subscribe also as well, and also know that these things that I'm doing, these are my own personal journey in trading that I'm documenting, right? And I just want to carry people along. So you can take the trades with me, or you can just watch from the side and then observe what I'm saying, right? I'm out.